Here we shall see the problems on method 3. Solve 3xy minus 2ay square into dx plus x square minus 2axy into dy is equals to 0. So it is in the form of m dx plus m dy is equals to 0. And the function m is 3xy minus 2ay square and n is x square minus 2axy. So now differentiate m with respect to y, that is dou m by dou y is equals to dou by dou y of 3xy minus 2ay square, and 3xy differentiation is 3x minus here 2a is constant and y square differentiation is 2y. So that gives us 3x minus 4ay. Then dou n by dou x is equals to dou by dou x of x square minus 2axy. X square differentiation is 2x and here 2a is 2a, y is constant and x differentiation is 1. So that brings us 2x minus 2ay. So here we see dou m by dou y is not equals to dou n by dou x. So we can say that it is not exactly differential equation. Now we have to make it as exact. So then consider the function f of x, that is dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x by n. So dou m by dou y value is 3x minus 4ay and minus of dou n by dou x value is 2x minus 2ay and divided by n is x square minus 2axy, and that equals to 3x minus 4ay and minus 2x, minus into minus is plus 2ay divided by x square minus 2axy. So this is here f of x is equals to 3x minus 2x is x and minus 4ay plus 2ay is minus 2ay and divided by x square minus 2axy. So here in the denominator we can take x common. If you take x common, it becomes as x of x minus 2ay. So numerator term and the denominator term gets cancelled. Then finally the leftover is 1 by x. So this is f of x. So f of x is equals to 1 by x. Then the integrating factor will be e power integration of f of x into dx, and that equals to e power f of x into dx, that equals to e power integral 1 by x dx, and that equals to e power 1 by x integration is log x, and here log x, that e power log x can be written as x. So this is the integrating factor. Now we have to multiply this integrating factor to the question. Then we get it as x into 3xy minus 2ay square into dx plus x of x square minus 2axy into dy is equals to 0. So here m is 3x square y minus 2ay square into x, that is 2axy square, and function n is x square into x is x cube minus 2axy into x is 2ax square y. So this is the functions of m and n. Now differentiate the function m and n. Then we get it as, so dou m1 by dou y is equals to dou by dou y of 3x square y minus 2axy square, and 3x square into y differentiation is 3x square minus 2ax is constant and y square differentiation is 2y, and that equals to 3x square minus 2ax into 2y is 4axy, and dou n1 by dou x is equals to dou by dou x of x cube minus 2ax square y, and that equals to x cube differentiation is 3x square minus here 2ay is constant and x square differentiation is 2x, that equals to 3x square minus 4axy. So here dou m1 by dou y is equals to dou n by dou x. Now it is exactly differential equation. Then we can find out the general solution, that equals to integration of m1 dx plus integration of n1 dy is equals to c, and that is integration of 3x square into y minus 2axy square into dx plus integration of x cube minus 2ax square y into dy is equals to c. So this value anyhow it becomes 0 because x terms are present in this function n1, and in m1 in the function of m1 y is treated as constant. So here the first term is integrated and also the second term separately. In the first term 3y is constant and integration of x square dx minus 2ay square is constant, integration of x dx, and plus this value 0 is equals to c. So 3y of x square integration is x cube by 3 minus 2ay square into x integration is x square by 2 and that equals to c. So here 3 will be cancelled and 2 will be cancelled. So that gives us x cube into y minus x square into y square is equals to c. So this is a general solution for the given question. We shall see the second question also. That is solve x power 4 into e power x minus 2m xy square into dx plus 2m x square into y dy is equals to 0. So it is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equals to 0. The function m is x power 4 into e power x minus 2m xy square and the function n is 2m x square into y. So the same procedure, have to differentiate the functions m and n. Dou m by dou y is equals to dou by dou y of x power 4 into e power x minus 2m x y square. So here it's we are differentiating with respect to y, so its value becomes 0 minus 2mx is constant and y square differentiation is 2y, that gives us minus 4mxy, and dou n by dou x is equals to dou by dou x of 2mx square y, and 2my is constant and x square differentiation is 2x, that equals to 4mxy. So here the both values are not equal, there is a minus difference here. So dou m1 dou m by dou y is not equals to dou n by dou x, so it is not exact differential equation. So we have to make it exact by multiplying with a suitable integrating factor. So then f of x is equals to dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x divided by n, that equals to the substitute the values of these differentiations, that is minus 4 mxy minus 4 into mxy divided by 2mx square y, and that equals to, here we get minus 8 mxy by 2mx square y. Y will be cancelled and 2 4s are 8 and m will be cancelled and 1 x will be cancelled. So finally we get it as minus 4 by x. So this f of x, it is in the terms of x variable. So if we get in terms of y variable, then we go with the method 4. At that time this formula will be different, it will be reverse of this. So here we took dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, but in method 4 we will take dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y and divided by the function m. So at that time we will get the f of x, that will be the f of y in terms, so we will get the function in terms of y. So at the time integrating factor will be different again, that we will discuss in the next video. But as of now f of x is equals to minus 4 by x, so that integrating factor will be e power integral f of x dx, so that equals to e power integration of minus 4 by x into dx. So e power minus 4 right outside of the integration, so minus 4 integration of 1 by x into dx, so that equals to e power minus 4 integration of 1 by x is log x, that equals to, m into log x can be written as log x power m. So similarly minus 4 is m, so log x power minus 4. So e power log x power n can be written as x power n. So here x power minus 4, x power minus 4 can be written as 1 by x power 4. So integrating factor is 1 by x power 4. So now multiply this integrating factor to the question. So we get x power 4 e power x minus 2m xy square divided by x power 4 into dx plus 2m x square into y by x power 4 into dy is equals to 0. So here this is m1 and this is n1. So m1 is equals to Now write the denominator term separately to the numerator terms. So that is x power 4 e power x by x power 4 minus 2m xy square by x power 4. And n1 is, here x square will be cancelled, then we get it as 2m by x square. So now differentiate again. So that is dou m1 by dou y, that equals to dou by dou y of e power x minus dou by dou y of 2m y square by x cube, that equals to e power x differentiation is 0 since we are differentiating with respect to y. So minus 2m x cube is constant and y square differentiation is 2y, that equals to 2m into 2y is minus 4my divided by x cube. So we have to find out dou n1 by dou x. So that is dou by dou x of 2my by x square. So here 2my is constant and differentiation of 1 by x square, that gives us 2my into minus 2 by x cube, that equals to minus 4my by x cube. So here dou m1 by dou y is equals to dou n1 by dou x. So we can say that it is exact. Now we have to find out the general solution. So integration of m1 dx plus integration of n1 dy is equals to c, and integration of m1, that is e power x dx, and the next term 2my square by x cube into dx plus n1 is 2my by x square into dy is equals to c. So e power x integration is e power x minus 2my square is constant and integration of 1 by x cube into dx plus this value becomes 0 because n1 x term should not be present. So its value becomes 0 and that equals to c. So e power x minus 2my square and 1 by x cube integration is minus 1 by 2x square, and that equals to c. So here 2 will be cancelled, then we get e power x minus into minus is plus my square by x square is equals to c is the general solution. So in this way we will solve the method 3 problems. In next video we will see problems on method 4.